Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. It's been almost close to 2 months since I bought my Aprilia RS457 and I haven't added any accessories till date to this bike. It's completely stock, and today in this video I'm going to add my first accessory for this bike. Post that I'm just going to do some stickering work as well. My name is Danny and you are watching cosyrevs. I got the fuel reserve warning on my bike, so it's running out of petrol, and right now I'm heading to the petrol bunk to fill the tank. Post that I will let you know what accessory I'm just going to add to my bike and how much it is going to cost. So we have reached BP petrol bunk and I'm just going to fill speed petrol for my bike. Tank full, speed. The accessory which I'm going to install for my RS457 today is going to be a custom windshield. Yes, I was looking for some aftermarket windshields for RS457, but nothing looks convincing to me, so I thought of going for the accessory which was given by Aprilia itself, and they call it as a big windshield. Some people call it as a touring windshield and some people call it as a racing windshield, so whatever you can call it as, but it is going to enhance the look of the motorcycle, and it's a functional windshield. It is going to give you some sort of better wind protection when you're riding it on the highways, and also the looks are really cool. I saw some of the RS457s with the big windshield. It looked so cool, so I thought of going for it and installing one for myself for my RS457. You know, around 8 months back when I was inquiring about the Aprilia RS457, I asked for the pricing of the big windshield as well. At the time they told that the cost is around 900 rupees, but now it has increased more than twice of the previous price, and they are selling it for 2080 rupees to be precise. But still I think that it's worth the money you're paying for 2000 rupees. You're getting a nice windshield. Come on, you can't get an accessory worth rupees 200 or 300 rupees from Aprilia. I thought of installing the charging socket as well for my RS457, and that came around 947 rupees I guess, but later on I changed my mind and I thought of going only for the big windshield. So I'm not going to install the charging socket now. Maybe in future I might install, but today I'm not going to install it. So right now I'm heading to JMB Aprilia. I already called them and asked whether the accessory is available or not. They told that only 2 pieces are available, so I'm rushing myself to go to the showroom as soon as possible and install it, because if the stock runs out then I need to wait for another 10 days to get back the windshield. So it's better to install it whenever it is available rather than to wait for a longer period of time. We are almost close to the showroom, and they told me that they will not allow me to record or shoot videos inside the service center. You know, I can just record the videos inside the showroom but not in their service center because it's an authorized place, so I'm okay with it. Now I will go there and I will drop my bike at the service center for the installation. So post installing this big windshield, I'll be back. So the installation work has completed, and this is the high windshield which is provided as an accessory from Aprilia for the RS457. It looks so good. To be honest, the look has been completely enhanced and it looks like an RS660 with this big windshield. You know, I'm just totally satisfied with this accessory. So now I'm just going to head to a stickering shop and I'm going to do some minor stickering work for my motorcycle. Stay tuned. To be honest, I personally love this windshield a lot. No words to express on it. That's how good it is looking. You know, I will not be able to find a major difference with the performance after adding this windshield, but you know, this will actually show its efficiency when I take it on the highways, because I believe that there might be some, you know, improvement in the top speed of this bike. I have done 192 kilometers per hour on this bike post first service, and some of the RS457 riders told me that the top speed will actually increase after adding this big windshield. So tomorrow morning I'm going on a ride to Mudaliar Kuppam, which is MDK, with a few of the RS457 riders as well as with few of my subscribers. So during the time I'm just going to do a top speed run of this bike, and let's see whether there is an improvement after adding this big windshield. Now I'm heading to a small stickering shop which is located at Saidapet to do some stickering work for my bike. I'm not going to ruin the looks of the bike by doing some clumsy stickering work. I'm just going to sticker my YouTube channel name on the windshield as well as on the side of the bike. I don't know the exact location. I just saw it on the Google Maps. I think I need to stop somewhere here and check on Google to get the exact location. It's about 100 meters from here. I think I'm very close to it. Here it is. YouTube oda name mattum stickering pannonu call pannirundar 2 hours back. அது வந்து யூடியூப் அண்ட் இன்ஸ்டாகிராமோட லோகோ இருக்கணும், ஃபாலோட் பை தட் நேம் மட்டும் இருக்கணும். So as of now I have stickered my YouTube channel name in 3 places in my bike. The first place is on the windshield, and the second place is on the right side. The third place is going to be on the left side of the panel. So these are the 3 places where I have stickered my YouTube channel name, and on the front I am going to sticker the Italian flag. So that is what they're preparing now. Suppose that I will show you how it is going to look with the Italian flag on this specific part in the front side of the bike. So our stickering work has been done, and now I'm just going to head back to my home. For the stickering they charged me 550 rupees, which is quite decent for all 4 stickers which I have done on my bike. I could have negotiated it and reduced it to 500 rupees from 550, but still I'm okay with it. I'm satisfied with the work, so I'm paying for it. I don't want to negotiate it. And when I fitted the big windshield at Aprilia, they didn't charge anything for the labor. They only charged me 2008 rupees for the windshield alone. So we are all set for tomorrow morning ride to MDK, and I'm just going to see you guys in another video. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet, and take care.